Hello and welcome to my daily portfolio update, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon Prime Day. As you guys know, Amazon is one of the companies we hold in our portfolio, and there's some exciting news for their Prime Day coming up, followed by some competitors that they're launching similar sales, but more specific how they are estimated to sell more than 42% compared to 2019. Now, before we begin, I do want to go over our daily stocks and how the indexes are going. Pretty much Nasdaq, Dow, and S&P for the fourth day in the week. They're coming up or opening positive, which is very good. I mean, we have been able to recover some losses from previous months, or I guess the month of September more specifically. And today the market seems to be a little bit. I mean, three indexes are kind of separating from each other. The S&P kind of staying in the middle, and then the Nasdaq and the Dow kind of having a bit of a opposite gains from how they opened. Now, I was able to deposit the $1,000 for the month of October. I know it's a bit late, and today our biggest mover has been Marble Technology, StockUSign, Peloton, and our biggest loser is CVS, Nvidia, and JP Morgan. Now, I did buy roughly around $400 worth of the $1,000 I invested. And if you remember last month, when I deposited the $1,000, I allocated all $1,000 in the beginning of the month. And then that turned out to be a bad strategy because I bought a bit high for that specific month since we had a big pullback. This time, I'm actually changing my strategy and pretty much investing half of it right now and then half of it towards mid-October, which is almost 5 days away. Now let's get down to business, and we're going to be talking about Amazon Prime Day.
Amazon Prime Day,
an epic day of deals on everything you're into,
has been turned on its head. Normally in summer, the coronavirus causing it to move to next week, over the 2 days of October 13th and 14th. Significant deals expected on electronics, especially anything Amazon branded like Alexa, Kindles, Fire tablets, and Ring doorbells. Not many specific details announced yet, but discounts historically run the gamut from clothing to beauty supplies to toys to kitchen items. And it's not just Amazon.
The Walmart event is called the Big Save, and it's going to be going on from October 11th to the 15th. Target, they're calling it Deal Days, and that's going on the exact same days as Prime Day, October 13th and 14th.
Now, Amazon Prime Day is expected to generate $7.5 billion in sales, which that would be an increase of 42% compared to last year. That is for its 48-hour event. Now, normally Prime Day is in June, but this year, due to supply chain and logistical issues, the company was forced to push it towards October, which it is an interesting thing because this event may have been transformed from a back-to-school sales event to more of an early holiday shopping event. Now, this year, e-commerce is expected to take the lead on holiday shopping because of a new forced customer habit formed by the pandemic. I do think that Amazon is a buy right now, and the price compared to where it was and where it is definitely a price that could be considered at a discount. But with that being said, keep in mind that analysts, ever since Amazon released astronomical results, they might be having more expectations of the company that may not necessarily turn true. So there are some risks to the stock. There's competition. There's still the logistical and supply chain issues. There's the conflicts that they're having with FedEx and UPS, now with Amazon having their own logistical teams. So it's just a matter of exercising caution when investing in a company like Amazon as well. Now, what other news you need to know today? So Boeing revises demand forecast and the stock did dip. So if you've been following Boing, which I made a video of roughly 3 to 4 days ago, I've pretty much been investing in Boing, and the stock did go down significantly. That was an opportunity for me to buy more stock, which I did. However, the reason why the stock dipped was because of the forecast Boeing is pretty much revising. So they're not forecasting as much demand as they had originally anticipated. And as you can imagine, stockholders don't enjoy revised forecasts. Now, also, a new investor on Disney wants to persuade the company on cutting off its dividend, specifically to get more cash flow streams and apply or set aside some sort of capital to be used to produce more content for Disney Plus. As you can imagine, Disney Plus only has so many products and movies and TV shows that you can watch, but they have not been producing as many new content compared to Netflix or Hulu or even Apple TV Plus. Now, Disney has already suspended its semi-annual dividend, and however, this went unnoticed for investors since the Disney stock was not really affected. Now, the dividend has not yet been cut, but it's almost, I guess it's in speculation. So, with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Pretty much we're going to be having a weekend here, so I will not be posting tomorrow, but if you do enjoy these videos and if you want to be investing in some of the stocks that we have in our portfolio, feel free to comment, like this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week.